Not that some of the Celtic just removed sort of thing. I don't know. But yeah.
Do you think she likes it? Come here, Layla. Come show Gia all the toys. Will you show Gia how it goes? Look at her jump. Oh my gosh, it's noisy. Gia, it's so noisy. Hi, Gigi. Hi. Hi, baby. Do you like it? It's so fun. She likes it. Look, she's right on her tippy toes. She's right on her tippy toes. She's trying to get her face. Come here, Layler. Layler the sailor.
What?
Hi, Gigi.
It does.
Eric Roberts
They got something else in there.
She throws some into the sink.
Hey, at least she clears her own stuff.
She does. But it all goes into the sink. Glass or not.
Oh, we got
Ooh. Baby. Yay, Gia.
Very much.
How's your
Yay,
baby?
yay.
And he drew in.
Does she need to have a burp? Does your baby need a new diaper? Yeah.
Mommy wants to wipe. I should have wiped these down first.
But they are easily identified
You gonna wrap her up?
right away.
Well, I guess I was wrong about this. She now likes it.
Yeah,
2
who?
weeks ago.
Well, they change, eh? Like every day.
So quickly.
Well,
Hello, Milan.
3 weeks ago, she didn't really know how to jump. Now, like I said, she's an pure setup. What do you say? No.
There you go,
Yeah, I think you can. It's one of those words.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but I think I hear most people say Celtic.
Making a video. So we can show Stacy his baby.
Family of Moran. Nice job.
Right here. Oh, I see. You're Emma.
So bouncy. Look at her jump. Look at her jumpity bump up. Oh, she likes it. She likes it, she likes it, she likes it. Yahoo! Crazy business. It's exciting enough with all those lights and noise, isn't it? What do you need, baby? What do you need? Can Uncle Mario help you get it?
Yeah.
Uncle Mario! Uncle Mario! Ask Hi, Gia. Hi, Gia. Oh, Gia's got a little cough. She got a little cough. Hi, Gia, baby. Gia. Let me see those toes go.
Jump, baby, jump, jump.
I love it when they're just on their toes.
Yay. Woo. Woo. Woo.
Listen to your doggy snore. And there's the Michi. There's the Michi.
It's going to be the tiniest little thing. Those little pants are for a 2-year-old. And I was shooting them at great big diaper. It wouldn't be that's too big for her.
Hi, beauty.
Hi, baby.
Gia, do you like jumping?
And
Do you like jumping?
Stop giving me the raspberry. Yeah, that's what that's called. When you do that, people, it's called giving the raspberry.
Yeah, let's have to look underneath.
It is funny when she